ISM Africa is a group of companies with interests in green manufacturing, renewable energy, food and water security. The movement towards reducing our impact on the globe is one of the most pressing concerns of our time. ISM Africa invests in projects and services targeting improved operational efficiency, renewable energy and other sustainable infrastructure. We have capabilities and expertise to deliver the latest technologies, including food security based on fast assembly of fish farms, water security using solar-powered distillation and purification technology, electric vehicle and solar assembly, energy and environmental solutions, and green construction technologies based on renewed materials. We are dedicated to the conservation, production and processing of the world's most critical resource, water. Our network has over 3,000 global installations, providing drinking water to tens of thousands of people per day. Our portfolio includes a range of standard water treatment solutions and patented carousel solar water purification technology, which uses solar energy to produce pure, clean drinking water on any scale from any water source. Depleted stocks, growing populations, environmental impact are rapidly increasing the demand for aquatic products in Africa. Our mission is to design and construct efficient and reliable recirculation aquaculture systems, RAS, to facilitate the farming of healthy aquatic products with minimum impact on the environment. Design of the fish farms and equipment is done by a team of engineers that work with state-of-the-art software. The design team works hand in hand with the engineers to optimize the final systems. In this way, we're able to make custom-made designs in short periods of time that are reliable and energy efficient. The growing demand for renewable yet affordable solutions has encouraged us to develop various systems to support the sector. We're focused on utilization of local manpower and materials, as well as incorporating reusable materials such as shipping containers at the end of the commercial life cycle. Our solutions include support of solar and water systems that can sustain supply to structures in disconnected locations. Africa has substantial new and renewable energy resources, most of which are underexploited. Renewable energy will make up almost half of sub-Saharan Africa's power generation growth by 2040. Only 10% of sub-Saharan's hydropower potential is currently being exploited. In addition, much of Africa has excellent solar potential and coastal regions hold potential for wind energy. The electric vehicle EV revolution in Africa is gaining traction, but it can only go so far without the necessary infrastructure and technology. This is why we have set up local manufacturing operations to develop specific technologies designed to work in Africa. Governments, communities and businesses realize they need new ways to increase output, mitigate risk and withstand new threats. ISM Africa is at the forefront of developing practical solutions that are both sustainable and integrate locally tailored technology to deal with the continent's urgent challenges.